Probably between maybe $500 and $600. Immediate family and some good friends.
Playing Santa Claus is an expensive hobby, but there are simple ideas you can use all year round to reduce both expense and your stress. First advice, make a budget. Decide how much to spend, divide it among the people you're shopping for, and stick to it. And cross yourself out. The National Retail Federation says the average person spends just over $100 on themselves while holiday shopping. Next, if you use a credit card that offers reward points, be aware that many allow you to convert those points into gift cards, and some even give you a bonus. So a $20 reward could become a $25 gift certificate. How about utilizing new technology to see if you can get a better deal? For example, some smartphone apps allow you to scan a barcode, then it'll tell you if the same item is for sale for less nearby or online. Watch for early Black Friday deals. Many retailers are getting a head start with their sales. Did you get gift cards last year that you haven't used up? Well, maybe it's time for you to turn those into a gift for somebody else. And use imagination instead of cash. Hey, what kid wouldn't like to receive a get-out-of-punishment-free card? Bottom line, the way to save money all year long is to do what Santa does. Make a list, check it twice, and then use your imagination instead of just your money. Speaking of which, I've got more ideas that'll help right here at MoneyTalksNews.com. I'm Stacy Johnson.